Renault has introduced a new emergency response prototype called the Vision 4Rescue. Unlike typical concept vehicles, this one is designed as a fully functional tool for real-world crisis response. Developed in collaboration with Software Republique, the electric vehicle is based on the Renault 4 e-Tech and incorporates nearly 20 connected systems. It serves as a mobile command post, offering integrated technologies tailored for field operations. The vehicle reflects over 15 years of partnership between Renault and fire departments across 19 countries. It was also co-developed with 3 French fire services, ensuring the design responds directly to operational needs rather than theoretical concepts. The exterior features a vivid red paint inspired by the intensity of fire, with fluorescent yellow-green diagonal stripes to signify urgency. Both bumpers are marked by high-contrast yellow and red inserts and reinforced with 3-dimensional printed, shock-absorbing components. Ground clearance has been raised by 15 millimeters, enhancing its off-road capabilities. A secondary electric motor powers the rear axle, enabling permanent all-wheel drive. Mounted on the roof is an aerodynamic capsule that houses a surveillance drone and a communications unit. This system is capable of restoring connectivity in disaster zones where infrastructure may be compromised. The drone delivers an overhead view of emergency sites, aiding teams with real-time tactical data. At the rear, the vehicle functions as a mobile operations hub. It includes a sliding desk and dual monitors used for drone piloting and field communications. Additional compartments are built in to securely hold mission-critical equipment. The cabin includes several features designed for operational safety and visibility. A reflective strip is built into the rear door to enhance its presence in low-light conditions. On the front passenger side, the dashboard incorporates a polished metal handle engraved with the phrase "Judo Rasa Katsurat," meaning "reading you loud and clear." The handle is also fitted to hold walkie-talkies securely in place. Seat materials are made from fire-resistant foam, repurposed from retired firefighter uniforms, aligning the vehicle's functionality with environmentally conscious design. The Vision 4 Rescue stands as a real-world evolution of emergency vehicle technology, designed not just to look forward, but to function effectively in high-stakes, unpredictable environments. For more updates on next-generation mobility and innovation, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications.